What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about a comparison between Hostinger and GoDaddy. Hostinger and GoDaddy are two of the most popular web hosting services available today. While both offer reliable hosting solutions, there are significant differences in their features, performance, pricing, and user experience that may sway your decision. Here is a comparison of the two services. Let's start with performance. Hostinger has a faster infrastructure using Lightspeed, which is significantly faster and more stable. They also offer Lightspeed caching technology with every plan. Hostinger also has an average page loading time of 0.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest shared hosting services. GoDaddy, on the other hand, uses the older Apache web server. Also, it has a slower performance with an average page loading time of 2.94 seconds. When it comes to pricing, Hostinger offers shared hosting plans starting at $2.99. Also, they provide a more affordable pricing structure compared to GoDaddy. On the other hand, GoDaddy offers shared hosting plans starting at $5.99 per month. It has a wider array of pricing plans but is generally more expensive than Hostinger. When it comes to customer support, Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support. They also provide excellent customer support. GoDaddy, on the other hand, offers 24/7 support, and they have a reputation for good customer service, especially for businesses. When it comes to user experience, Hostinger has a user-friendly control panel, hPanel. They offer a simple and intuitive interface, and they provide a free AI-powered website builder. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has a modern dashboard with white space and a consolidated menu. They also offer access to cPanel, and they have a more complex interface compared to Hostinger. Now for the key features, Hostinger offers a custom backend with direct access to hosting elements, domain names, and SSLs. They also offer unlimited database for all premium plans and higher. Hostinger also offers extensive features such as caching, Cloudflare support, WordPress acceleration, subdomains, FTP, SSH, backups, and WordPress integration. They also have a higher number of sites hosted. GoDaddy, on the other hand, offers a modern dashboard with white space and consolidated menu. They provide access to cPanel. They offer 10 to 100 databases for shared hosting plans. They also include free Office 365 email, DNS, unlimited SSLs in some plans, SSH, subdomains, one-click installs, and potential backups. They also have a wider array of pricing plans, including shared, VPS, dedicated, and WordPress hosting. GoDaddy also offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee and 24/7 support. Ultimately, the choice between Hostinger and GoDaddy depends on your specific hosting needs and budget. By considering the key features, performance, and pricing of each service, you can make an informed decision that best suits your online endeavors. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.